Just coming up the driveway. So at this corner here, we have a very large drain that drains out to the river, and we think it's coming up through the drain system here. But maybe about a half a foot deep. It's not too bad. Oh, it's back up here now. Okay. It's coming up fairly quick. Hopefully it stops. Out this way is the river. You have to make it somewhere around 12 feet in order to crest over that hill over there and make it to our house. Last I checked, we were about 5. But we haven't heard. Well, we'll see. It's getting bigger by the minute.